Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I took a long little hiatus there, but I'm back and we'll kind of go over that and how that will look. But today we are going to update this planner. She's in desperate need of a new cover, so I did get a new one from Estelle. I'm pretty sure you can kind of guess what I purchased. But yeah, I'm really excited. So keep on watching if you're interested. Okay, so I recently haven't been using this quite as much, but I did go ahead and purchase a new cover for her. So we're gonna set her up like I'm going to continue using her, but you'll see whenever I post the video, whenever I get to filming it. I do have a new addition to my lineup, which I'm really excited about, but that is not what this video is about. But definitely be on the lookout because I will be filming that soon. All that aside to say, today we are going to share a few new items, and one of them is right here. So I did fall into the trap of the Uniball 1P line. I thought they were so cool. I love a chunky pen. So I went to AliExpress and snagged 4 of the colors. I may have to go back for the rest, but these are so nice, and this one matches my nails perfectly. But they're so pretty. So I picked up the blue. This was like the ivory or the white. This is the orange, which is very much so like a terracotta color. And then this is the beige. That is just a really great neutral. So these are my new like pen of choice right now, coupled with the Sarasa Dry Airfit. I feel like I just kind of go through different pens and just use them, but these are really nice. So I would definitely suggest at least picking one up to try out. So yeah, that is a new purchase. But other than that, we are going to be switching my cover. It's in dire need. I'm gonna take all this stuff out and show you guys. Like, it is completely warped, this cover. So I could probably put the New Year's paper clip away now. It's nowhere near New Year's. Let me hide these while I take them out. They are appointment cards for my children. Also didn't know what that receipt was. So excited to be like moving out of this cover. I will not be getting rid of it, partly because look at how warped it got. Like, I stuffed this planner cover full. I do have a few stickers in here, or just one. But yeah, I warped it, so it's definitely not going to be able to, I don't know. I think it's permanently like this, but like I was telling my boyfriend, I'll be able to like put a journal in here and use it as a journal cover if I ever come back to the A6 size. But for the full year, I would not recommend doing the zippy cover, because especially if you use I guess the full year would be okay if you were just using the book. But even so, I feel like the more I chunk it up, the less it would have worked. But I also have like a whole bunch of other little books that I carry with it, since it was my like everyday carry. So let me put it away in its nice little linen cover it came with. I love the little dust bags from Estelle. I think they're so pretty, and they're really nice quality. They always send those nice little foam inserts. So yeah, this is definitely going on my shelf. It will have its own place another time, I suppose, but just didn't work out for my everyday carry, and that's okay. So that is on the shelf. Let's get into the new cover. So I picked up the same cover, but not in zippy. It's in the Snap, and I grabbed it in black. Oh, this is so beautiful. I did take it out of the cover before just to look at it, and my first impressions were that I was like, there's no way this is gonna fit. And then I remembered that this strap is adjustable. So that is on the thinnest strap. And it goes all the way out to the third. So I'm gonna try it on the second one first, and then we'll adjust it if we need to. But I loved this about this cover, so it can accommodate the chunk, which is nice. It comes with 2 bookmarks, which my other cover did not, but that I'm assuming is because it was a zippy. Oh wait, actually, before we do that, I do need to string her up, which I remember seeing their video on how to string your cover, and I kind of don't remember. So we're just going to do this the best we can. Which stringing my zippy cover was kind of nerve-wracking. Yeah, this is not going to... I don't know if I should be doing this on video because this is probably going to take me a long time. So I actually don't think I'm going to do that, just because it's going to take me a while, and I kind of want to watch the video on how they did it before I commit to how I string it, because I am not the best stringer. But yeah, so as you can see, I'll still be able to use those, and I do have 4 books. There's a place for 4 strands, and I'll kind of go over the supplemental books that I have. So of course I have the weekly supplement for my weeklies, and I love it. It's so nice, and it makes this a full little system. Next, I have a passport from Traveler's Notebook monthly for my content planning. And then I have a little thin papered, the lightweight paper insert for notes, because this does not come with many notes pages at all. And then this I actually got from a Sticky Club subscription, and it's just a reusable sticker sheet book. I do want to get the one from Traveler's Notebook because it would be a little bit bigger, which I would like, and it comes with more pages. I think there's only 10 in here. But for now, that is what I'm using, and it's a Christmas theme, so I don't think I really want to keep using that. But anyways, those are the 4 books that I carry with me. So let's see if this works on the second one. And it does. I can already tell, yeah. So it's not like super tight. There's still a little space there, but once I need to, I can extend it even further. So that is a lot better. Yeah, just definitely should have went with this first, but that is okay. I think there is, yeah, there's a little clip down here that I can clip my charms to. I just have this little cloud from Estelle. I bought this back when I purchased my first cover from her, and it was the B6. That was before they had all the other sizes in the Airy covers. And then this is from Every Minute a Story. And she has glasses like me, so I guess I might have to take this out to do this. I don't know why there's like particles everywhere. Yeah, that looks really cute. Okay. I love Estelle covers so much. They are literally my favorite. The only reason I haven't bought one for the A5 for my cousin yet is because I love the cover that I purchased with my cousin, and I'm trying to not be wasteful. I say as I'm literally This is, I think, the third cover I've purchased for my A6, but it was definitely trial and error. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to arrange these, and I think that will be my best. I'm actually kind of concerned if this will, I don't know if this will work. What I might have to do is get some of the Traveler's Notebook jump bands and put this as far away from this as I can to give it that room to close, and just jump band the rest in. But one way or the other, we are going to fit them all in. I plan on doing a plan with me in this system, so that'll probably come, honestly, I'm not even going to give you guys an ETA because that's how my life is going right now. I'm kind of just going to play it by ear and upload when I can upload. But I do plan on doing a plan with me in this system, so it'll be all completely set up when I do. So you'll be able to see how this is working then, and you'll see how I ended up fitting those other 4 books in there. But very, very happy with this. The black is just very classic, and it's the first black cover I actually have ever had. I've never purchased black just because I've been scared of it being, I mean, it's great because it won't get dirty as quick as the others, especially with the Camilla, the other cover I had in the Zippy. I was really concerned about that getting dirty. So it's classic, it won't get dirty, but I was just like, I don't know if it's a little too out there, but I'm actually really like this, and it's really cute with the little cloud and beanie charm. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you guys today. Of course, I do have my new little pen here, and it does fit. Actually, I'll have to extend the strap if I want to do that because this pen is very thick. But for now, I think what I'll do is just snap it on here. And I love that the Aura Cell, there's 2 pen loops, so I don't think I need another one right now, but yeah, that's really nice. But yeah, those are the 2 new things I've purchased recently. I've, of course, purchased more, but I haven't really saved them to do hauls. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this. Like I said, I don't know when I'll be uploading again, and I'm kind of just going to film and upload as I do them. I'm not really going to stick to a certain uploading schedule for now, just because I'm trying to like get into a groove of things again. But yeah, I hope to be uploading more. Definitely be on the lookout. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do post. I'm going to try and post a lot more because I do have so much to share with you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now, guys.